Glenn and Bev. Ano ipinito nila? Inyo family. And, huwag ka na magtanggal yan, kuya. Ayaw mo na suot mo yan. Open. Open.
Open.
And this. Oh, there. Wow. Put it out. Ta-da!
Wow.
6 to 9 months.
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa.
Sa ano
Big
pa?
to eh.
Sa camping pa yan, sa camping.
Malapit na. And, wow! Look, who's this?
Aww.
Minnie Mouse!
Turn me around.
Turn me around. Wow!
Wow.
Minnie Mouse! Guys, look at the back. Yeah.
It's a sign.
It's a sign.
Oh, pang ano pala yan eh, pang next year yan eh, sa Japan.
Let's go! 6 to 9. Ngayon na daw, Papa.
Oh, ngayon na pala tayo.
Let's go!
Pagdating ng year, hindi na kasha.
Hanggang kasha, Papa, gamitin na natin. Ito pa, meron pa. Oh, what are
Ayan,
these?
yung mga socks.
Socks. Yay!
Bigay mo daw kay Kate.
No more. Put it
Paborito ni Kate yan, Hello Kitty.
Allergic. Allergic. Kasi nang eh. Hello Kitty's life. Next. Oh, this one, kuya. Open
May
it.
naalala ka ba dyan ng nang? Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty.
Sumangit na tuloy image siya yun, Hello Kitty.
Wait, hold and pull.
Hold and pull. What is it? Show to the camera. Wow! It's from Bali!
Wow, isuot na, hindi pa kasha. Sa summer pa yan. Wow, candy.
Candy! Oh, para kay Carson ng candy. Bali nga ito eh, oh.
Oh, candy.
Oh,
Oh, ano, doon nila binili.
yeah.
Open.
Wow, thanks Premi.
Open. From Bali, pang summer. Daming ano.
Bali din ba sila?
Yeah. Dami nga
silang
nila
Bali.
pinuntahan eh.
Medyo harap ka dito.
Wait.
Tumabi ka doon
Teka lang, teka.
Wow.
kay Carson.
Wow! Wow, para pala sa inyo to eh. Show the candies.
Milk powder.
Bintana.
Wow! Yummy.
Itabi na muna yan at nakarami na kayo.
Oh,
Itabi yan, itabi na yan. Marami na.
Siargao! Siargao!
Itabi na muna yan.
Oh, later daw yan, sabi ni Papa, later. Siargao Island!
Yan mo.
Island.
Ang tawag na ref magnet. Ito, para kayo na to. Para kay Carson to eh! Bali! Bintang!
Wow, naka-extra ka pa Carson ah. Thank you Ninong. Thank you Nina.
Bintang Bali!
Pasuot
Pilsen
pasuot
and beer.
pasuot mo. Oh, Carson. Suot mo, suot.
No.
No, that's from Ninong and
Can I
Ninang.
put this on the refrigerator?
Yeah! You put it under fridge, kuya.
One more.
And the keychain is for you, kuya.
Yay! I can put it on my backpack.
Yeah, on your backpack.
Saan daw? Backpack?
No more. Backpack. Backpack. Hindi kasi kayo snack.
Yeah, on his backpack.
Backpack.
Backpack. On his backpack.
Next. Next. This is for you, kuya. Next. Okay, this is from...
Oh.
Ito open mo, kuya. Ito open ni Carson. From Ninang Jody.
This is from. This is 5.
2. From
Lolo and Lola
Clemente.
Clemente.
Tito Leonard, Tita D.
Si Lolo Leonard.
Wow!
Yay!
May pabag pa.
Bakit naman?
Walang di naman yan, Vana.
Hindi
Oh, show ito, Vana.
Oh,
Show ito, Vana. Cute naman
Oh,
yan.
this is an envelope.
Wow.
there's an envelope. Oh, yeah, we'll open it later.
Okay.
Look,
Let's open it.
ganda naman ang gift ni Ninang Jody tsaka ni Ninang Fritz.
Lahat ng envelope kay Papa.
Hindi, kay Mama.
Lahat ng envelope.
Arte, oh!
Wow.
Paano look, you have a bag?
Say thank you, Vana.
You have a bag. You have a bag. Open. You have a bag. Lots of socks.
Yan, ipasuot na ipasuot.
And ribbons! Wow! Show to Vanna.
Oh, show ito, Vanna. Kay Vanna daw yan. Kay nakikialam kayo
show
eh.
to Vanna.
Savannah, look.
Dress. Upside down yan. Kuya. Upside down.
This.
Another summer dress. Ito next year. Malaki.
Oh, pang next year na malaki na.
Wow.
Wow.
O, dali. Patry mo kay Vanna. Patry mo, suot mo kay Vanna. Carson,
She has a sandal and
put it on. Vanna. Oh, go, go, go.
no shorts.
Oh, puro pang summer ah.
Sakto sa
Pana, gusto talaga tayong pagalain ah. Yes. Where? Where did it go? With the idea, Jesus. Go. Yeah. Ano ba ito? Aya pang.
Oh, suot mo kay Vanna, Carson. There you go, Vanna.
Here you go, Vanna.
Sa H&M. May gift receipt if gusto natin papalitan ng size.
Sa?
H&M.
Oh, may gift receipt.
Kasi ito next year pa niya ito susunod.
So, pwede tayong kumuha no. Itabi mo yung mga pwede natin papalitan ng size.
Ito.
Yan, tabi mo yung mga resibo.
Pwede natin papalitan.
Para magamit agad. Anong size ba yung kinuha?
Tuti to eh.
Tuti?
Oo.
So, titi.
So, tas ito isa 12 months. Ito. Ganito. Yay! Ay! Kailangan natin papalitan yung 12 months kasi sa 12th month niya, winter!
Winter na. Nakakuha
Kuha tayo
tayo
mas
ng at
maliit.
least 4 months or 5
Kuha
months.
tayo mas maliit.
Or 6 months na.
Oh, there's a real popo.
Basta. Look! Look! Gonna get you! Gonna get you!
What's popo?
Police. Popo. Meron pa. Ang dami namang gift ni Ninang. Shoes!
Wow, ayan. Tignan mo, pasukat mo nga.
Wow.
Sakto to sa kanya ngayon.
Pasukat mo nga,
Kaya
tignan mo.
yeah. 0 to 3. Kasha sa kanya yan.
Oh, yung Barbie.
Then, yeah. Pants!
Wow,
And top.
Abot mo sa akin yung shoes.
Pants and top.
Can you open the envelope?
Yeah, open the envelope. I will read it.
Oh, open it. Dali, let's start natin kay Vanna.
And meron pa envelopes.
Oh, give it to Papa. Give it back to Papa.
Ito bang left?
Carson, move.
May left and right.
Could be straighter than this. So,
Wow.
so hope that you'll treasure each moment
Siya ka ba?
with a
Nalikitan mo na.
little dollar.
Kasya pa yan. Kaya dapat isuot na agad na isuot.
Congratulations
Congratulations!
from Lolo Leonard and from Lola
Yes, Carson. I got it. I got it.
D.
Oh, thank you, Carson.
Dulce. What does this say?
Clemente. That's their last name. Ako, mukhang di na kasha.
Hindi na kasya? Hindi ba na-stretch?
Ay, mas stretch eh. Kasha pa sana ko, so figure out ko kung paano i-start.
Yes, Carson. Show it, Carson. Ayaw.
Ayaw.
Sayang naman.
Hindi ka siya?
Hindi.
Walang gift receipt?
Ito, wala tong gift receipt.
Kasi nang
Hindi mahaba, wide.
why?
Oh,
Pero kasi
wide.
0 to 3 din to eh.
Pero yung mga yan, eto, tingnan mo.
Ito,
Medyas
kasha
naman
to.
itong mga to.
Yeah. Nakakatuwa naman medyas, tapos may partner na ano, ribbon.
Ribbon.
No, ano ba? Hindi kasi 0 to 3 nga hindi nakasya sa kanya. Pwede din.
O 0 to 3. Wala na, hindi na kasya talaga yan.
Tanggalin mo na yung ano. Ayan, open that one.
This one's blue. Wow. They actually know how to say.
Mine.
Oh, sige, read it.
Oh, read mo.
Read mo, dali.
Ito, read mo.
Read mo. What does it say?
Oo nga, pinupot ko nga inside.
Oh, nagalit si Vanna. Nagalit baby Vanna. Opet?
Open it. Open.
Opet, Carson?
That's to some of your baby gifts.
Shortcut to. Open.
Pinag-combine niyo open it.
Open! Carson, open!
This is $100. It's $100.
Thank you!
Oh, from Ninong Fritz and Ninang Jody still. God's kind and tender care. Warmest thoughts and loving prayers are sent your way that God will fill your home with happiness each day and keep you in His own loving way. Congratulations! We are very grateful to be chosen as Dana's godparents. We'll do our best to be a good role model and be her second parents. God bless Ninong Fritz and Ninang Jody. Thank you,
Thank you,
and
Ninong.
Nina.
Thank you, Ninang.
Yay! We'll keep this. Yeah, para mabasa to ni Vanna when she's bigger na.
More?
Okay. That's it. That's it. Thank you for the gift.
Thank you, mga Ninong, Ninang, guest. Thank you, thank you.
Ito pa pala, ito pa pala.
Light up.
What does it say?
Your precious daughter, what does it say?
Is present.